Okay, now I want to show you the IoT Hub services that include communication with IoT smart devices using the platform of MyUni Smart Services. So, in Microsoft Azure, this is the cloud we have used to manage our IoT service. Includes three different kinds of smart devices so far. That is fan, light, and thermometer. So this platform allows to communicate between smart devices that are, in this case, simulator that send information through IoT Hub, and we can use the MyUni system, MyUni smart system to control and manage that devices. Okay, let's start. This is the monitoring that we use to control that devices. The security of this platform requires an authentication and validate the information to allow access for only authorized members in the system. So it has the controls of manage the security with the unusual authentication using username and password. Validating the data, in this case username, and also including the information of password. So if any person tries to access with no credential, the system will process the authentication in the platform to validate that information. As we can see, the username and password are not correct. The system doesn't allow invalid credential for people that try to access our information. After authentication success, we have access to the platform. In this case, it's a dashboard that we can control and get information of the smart devices. So there is a thermometer that informs us what is the temperature in any room, humidity, and show us what is the current state of the device. A light that, like a usual smart light, we can turn it on and off and change or personalize, customize the service, the color that light can produce. And also we have a fan that, in the same case, we can control a turning on and off and change the speed the fan can produce. There is a pending smart devices that is counting that its word is a sensor that can count how many people are in a room, and we can control density in that places. At the moment, it's very important for control of social distancing. So this is a simulator of a light, smart light, that we can turn on and off and customize the color we want to use in any room. Then we have a thermometers that, in this case, is simulating different temperature and humidity to send the information for show this sample. Of course, in this case, we can only just turn it on and off. And a real sensor can show the real temperature depending on the weather. This device simulates a fan that, as usual, we can change the speed and turn on and off. So, when any device is sending information, we can check the information that is sending. For example, smart light. It's not here. So in this case, we can control what is the color is customized, and automatically the monitor can show us. Send the thermometer, simulate different metrics. It shows what is the state of the device, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit and Celsius degrees, and what is the percent of a temperature, the humidity. This black banner shows in a percent from 0 to 100%. The fan. What is the current speed and what is the status? In addition, in this case, for example, when some device have a problem and fire, the monitor can show us that is a problem, and we can send a technician to fix the problem with that device. There is a simulation of fixing. And go back. So, in addition, this dashboard allows to control that devices in a bidirectional communication. It means we can remotely control that devices. For example, we can turn them off. This one, thermometer. I have to pay attention. Light, turn off. And the fan. Of course, with thermometer, we only just cast turn on and off, but with the light, we can also customize the colors. And the fan, we can change the speed remotely. In addition, if some device went after files and maybe is damaged, so it get offline, the system allows us to check that one. Thank you for watching.